Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. It looks as if the fight between Abner and Gervonta Tank Davis is now off for February 9th. Abner has suffered an elbow injury and will not be able to fight Tank Davis. Gervonta was like, "What? Are you faking an injury?" Wow. You can read the conversation that will be in the video. Maybe they've made up, I'm not sure, in the order where these tweets and messages came. But as you see, Abner has sincere apologies for everyone, and he's sad and frustrated that he got injured, and he was looking forward to fighting Tank Davis. I had Gervonta beating him by stoppage, where either the referee stops it or the corner throws in the towel. I had a feeling that Gervonta would finally be catching him and would be putting him on the canvas. Those are my thoughts and my feelings. I'm not sure if you felt the same, but as you know, the show must go on. So now they've found Hugo Ruiz, and he seems and sounds very confident, like he's ready. He's been practicing for a southpaw, and so he's ready to give Tank Davis a run for his money. And as we saw with Jermall Charlo, when he had a replacement person, sometimes when you have a replacement person, they can be a little tricky because you've been focusing for months on a particular fighter, and then all of a sudden at last minute you get a whole new opponent, and so that can throw you off based on your game plan. But if Tank is patient and he waits and sets traps and looks for opportunities, I feel that he can also get Hugo Ruiz out of there the same way he would have done to Abner. He just might have to be a little bit more patient, because Hugo Ruiz is a wild card in the fact that we don't know exactly what he's going to do, but I don't expect him to beat Tank Davis. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.